So you are the type of the girl who have a bullied childhood. If you are the type of the girl who always bullied, who always been targeted by the bitches in your class, if you have that type of childhood, then this video is definitely for you because people always want to use the innocent hearts because they are always the bitches with the evil hearts. I don't know, but there are some of the people in my class who always bullies the innocent ones and some of the girls who are not good at appearance, not good at family background, not good at having money. They are all bullied. Do you think that makes sense? And that to the persons who are bullied, I just want to say that don't be like that. Be so soft, being tolerating what others say, being adjusting yourself to fit in. Don't do that. You are made to be stand out, not to standing. Change yourself to the highest self. I'm not saying go and get plastic surgery. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that it's not your potential. You're not putting your 100% on you. You're just accepting the fact that I'm like this. I'm used to be like that. I'm used to be like this. I am happy to. I am now. And that kind of mindset you should change because if you are accepting the things that society made on you, if you are making less in front of the people, that makes you even more less because you are giving the hints to the people. I'm like that, I'm like this, I am bullied always like that, I am like this only. No, you should not like this. You should not say like this because you are giving the negative energy to the people and they receiving it and giving the same amount of negative energy to you. So don't disrespect yourself from the people or from the society you are living in just to fit in and like this. No, you should not. Do they saying that? Do they saying you to I'm like this, I'm not good? Does they saying those things to you? No, right? You are saying yourself. You are giving so much negative energy into the world. And stop being available every time to the people. That makes you feel less. They don't respect the presence of you because you are always available. That makes you feel less. Hello guys, my name is Priya and this video is mainly for those girls who are always insecure to see the beautiful ones. So the feeling of you insecure about yourself is not made from you, it made from the society that makes you feel insecure about yourself. The emotionally insecure people are always trying to find insecurities in other person because society made you feel like that you should be like this, you should be like this, keeping that insecurities on you. You are constantly told to that and you felt like when I'm like this I'm not fitting. I'm not when I'm like this I will be perfect. When I'm like this I will only become perfect. Until that I'm not. You should not think like that because everyone is made different in this world. God made everyone different just because everyone has to stand out. Society made you feel that everyone has to stand in, everyone has to have the beauty standard that society makes. You have to know that everyone has the unique features. Even if my eyebrows, eyes, nose, lips, overall my face, does anyone have it? Maybe similar, but they are not the exact copy of me. Maybe there are some copies, but there is no rule that you have to be like that to feel yourself as beautiful. You should not think like that. Everyone has their own unique beauty. Just because you're dark, just because you're brown skin, that doesn't make you feel less. That makes you should feel more honored because you are the gold tone. You are have golden brown. You are have the golden black. That makes you feel more unique. You are so beautiful. Just don't disrespect or don't feel yourself like that. You should take care of yourself more. You should not take care of people, what people are saying, what people are thinking about. You should take care of yourself. You should not hurt the inner child in you. The inner child was always being told to be like that, to be told like this, to be perfect, to fit in this society. If you don't feel confident on yourself, change yourself. I'm not saying go and get your plastic surgery. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that if you don't feel confident about yourself, about your looks, if you're about your looks, then change yourself, like doing skincare, doing makeup. I'm not saying totally complete change yourself and enhance the beauty features that you had. If you had the unique eyes, make them feel more attractive. Don't be like I'm like this, I'm used to be this, I was like this to be born, I'm like I am habituated to this. Don't say that. Change yourself. If you don't feel confident about yourself, change yourself into something good. Change, make yourself attractive. Don't make your inner side hurt by others. Make your inner side fuller to become stronger, to become the girl you always want to be. Make her prove it right that you are not something to be ignored. You are meant to be attractive. You are meant to be unique. You are meant to be a goddess instead of thinking you are a slave. Never talk about anything bad about you in front of others, because when you talk about yourself, the negative, the people think that she's like that because she is saying that. What if I am saying that? If you are saying I am ugly, I don't have the special features, I don't have the beautiful face, I am like this, like that. When you are saying that, people will adapt that and think that you are telling about yourself that negative. What if I am telling that? It's that wrong? Because you tell about yourself negative. If I talk negative about yourself, will that make wrong? No, right? Because you made yourself as negative. What if I do? Is that nothing a problem? You give that thing to others when you talk about yourself. You are putting so much negative energy into outside because you are giving negative energy from yourself. No matter how much you try to fit in, the people has always something to say. People have always opinion on you. They never will satisfy how you were. They never felt like, oh, she's like that, she's like that, okay, she was good in that way. No, never. People always judge you however you are. If you felt too confident, she sees overconfidence, she has too much attitude. If you feel less confident, she has underconfidence, she has always feel insecure about herself. She has easily to use, she has too much available, she was too much available, that kind of sense. So when you are confident, when you are not, people have always has something to say to you. Don't never listen to people. Just be like you, but be the highest self. Don't be like your lowest self. Give your 100% potential to yourself. Don't accept yourself like I'm like this, I'm not, I'm like that. No, you should not accept yourself like that. You should change yourself. If you are not good how you are, then change yourself how you want to see yourself as. If you want to see as beautiful, then get ready beautiful. If you want to have nice clothes, cook and get your nice clothes, but don't say that I don't have money and I can't offer those things. Then think like what I can do, what I have to do, make to take care of me the way I want. If I want to have more clothes, then think about how to earn so much money. Think like that. Don't keep boundaries to yourself to achieve goals. Don't keep that. Do your highest thing. Push your limits beyond your limits to achieve your goals. Never settle for less. People should never settle for less. People should have the incredible thoughts. People should have the incredible dreams that seems like impossible, but it will be possible when you are trying your best. When you felt like these dreams were impossible if I dreamt so much. No, you should not think like that. You should think, what should I do now? What should I do now to achieve those? You should think like that, and you should not like think like, oh, I think I am wanting so much, I think I am desiring so much that I am not worth of it. You should not think like that. You should, I deserve everything. I deserve whatever I want. I deserve everything I desire. You should think like that. You should talk self-positive to yourself, then only that makes you feel believe in yourself, and you should not ever lose belief in yourself. You should believe in yourself so much that the belief is blind. You blindly believe yourself. That kind of thing you should have. And no one were born with so much confidence. They earn it. When they made promises to themselves, they prove it to themselves that I did this, I did that. That makes them feel believe in themselves, because when you are constantly telling them I will do that, I will do this thing next tomorrow, I will change after week, I will change myself, I will get discipline after a month, after this time, after that time. You should not think like, you should not give a procrastination type of thing to yourself. You should you should keep promises to yourself. The promises you made at night, the promises you felt I will change this time. That kind of promises you have to keep yourself, because when you lose those belief on you, you don't believe yourself, because you are constantly making yourself not to believe in, because you are not taking any action to feel the change in yourself, right? This is the video, guys. I just want to know that you are the person you were, and don't try to fit that in the crowd. You are meant to stand out. Try to change yourself if you felt uncomfortable about yourself. Bye bye, guys.